Hello guys, welcome to Coder's Paradise, and in this video we are going to solve another array basic problem which is rotating an array. And in this question we are not going to use any extra space. What does it mean is let's take an example and understand what does an extra space and an array rotation means. For example, we have an array 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I tell you, hey, please rotate this array. So there is one approach where what you can do, you can create a new array, and and arrange the current array elements into the new array elements such that the last index of the current element will be first index of the new array element. So for example, if we create a new array, so what will happen? 6 will come here, 5 will come here, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this will be the rotated array. Like this will be the rotated array. But in this question, we don't want to use this extra space. This is not allowed in this question. So how we are going to solve this? So in this question, what we are going to see is like we are going to have two pointers that will be pointing, one at the beginning of the array and another pointer at the end of the array. Let's see how we are going to do. So let's suppose this is the array. This is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here will be our left pointer and this will be our right pointer, right? Now what we can do, we can just swap these two pointers values. So if it is 0, this will be 5. So we will swap 0 with 5. So what will happen? 5 will come here. Sorry, 6. Just a minute. Okay. Now 6 will come here. 1 will come here. And similarly, if we go with 2 and 5, so 2 and 5. So here will be 5, here will be 2. For this 2 as well. So here will be 4, here will be 3. You can see it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have rotated the array. So the first approach that we have seen, this is a very easy approach and I think you guys will be able to code it. So we will be now providing the algorithm for this one. So let's just try this, how we can do this. So let's make a function. We can call it as, let me just change the color of the pencil. We'll use green. Okay. So we will here do void rotate and we will pass in an integer array arr. Okay. And we will start. So what we will do, we need to first make two pointers. Okay. Int left equals to 0 and int right equals to arr dot length minus 1, right? This will be the last index and this will be the first index. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a for loop, or we can here use a while loop. Okay. So let's go while loop. Okay. So think here, from where to where we want to swap. We want to swap from 0 to the last position, means the 0 will be swapped to the last element. Then what we are going to do, we are going to increase our left pointer and decrease our right pointer. Here just understand from here what I'm trying to say. First, when we are starting, our first pointer was on 1 and our left pointer was on 1 and the right pointer was on 6. When we swapped 1 and 6, now what we have to do, we have to increment our left pointer and we have to decrement our right pointer, so that the left pointer will be pointing to 2 and the right pointer will be pointing to 5. Now we again do the swap, and after again doing the swap, we can say that Now again increase the left pointer and decrease the right pointer. So again the right pointer will be on 4 and the left pointer will be on 3, and we again do the swap. Now the question is, we are doing the swap, but when we are going to stop? So after we know you are doing this last swap, the last pair, what we see that if we increase, so let's suppose take here an example. I will take this and I will erase it after I explain. So let's take this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our left pointer is here, right pointer is here. After we swap 1 and 6, our resultant array will become 6, 1. Now we increase the left pointer, so left pointer will be here, right pointer will be here. Again we swap 2 and 5, so 5 will be here, 2 will be here. We will increase the left pointer, we will decrease the right pointer. Now again we will do the swap, so here will be 4, here will be 3. Now when we increase our left pointer and when we decrease our right pointer, what will happen? The left pointer will become greater than the right pointer. So here we need to stop. So what will be our stopping condition? Where our loop will terminate? When the left pointer is greater than right pointer. So it will continue till when the loop will continue till left is smaller than right. So this is our loop condition. So let's write in the loop. So while the left pointer is smaller than the right pointer, right? What we are going to do? We are going to swap ARR of left to ARR of right. And what we are going to do, we are going to increment the left and decrement the right. So let's just write the swap function as well. So it will take, and so here we don't need to pass the exact element, we need to pass, just a minute, we can pass only the values here. So we can pass left and right. So here we will receive those two values. So what we need to do here, we need to swap. So what we can do, int temp equal to ARR of left, ARR of left equal to ARR of right, and ARR of right equal to temp. So it will perform the swap operation. So this is the code. So now we can understand the time complexity here. So what we are going to do is we are performing we are performing a while loop, which is a kind of a we are from left to right we are traversing the half array, and from currently we are traversing half array. So this loop will run for half array time. Let's suppose the size of the array is n. So it will go for n by 2 iterations, n by 2 iterations, but removing the constant from here, what we can do get is time complexity will be big O of n, and the space complexity, we have not used any space complexity, we have used just few variables, so we can say that it is a big O of 1. So in this way we have solved this problem. And if you guys are not able to understand this approach, the first approach where we are using an extra space over here, let me know in the comment section, I will provide the code for that as well. But the better approach that we have discussed is this one, where we have not used any space here, and this is the code. So And that's all for this video. In the next video, we will be kind of solving another array basic problems. And I think there are almost 2 or 3 more problems that we'll be doing on array basics. After that, we will be moving on to prefix sum and carry forward stuff related problems in the array. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe my channel, and please mention any doubts in the comments. I will be looking the comment section frequently. So thanks for it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.